And here comes the feature in Edison, New Jersey, everybody. As you can see, I finally got I'm filming from my iPhone again, and I'm going to be filming it from the forest right here. Hope you enjoy it. Oh, it's Norfolk Southern.